G'day mate, it's Shane again, and we are going to continue our exploration of the English-speaking world. Today we're going to talk about the country where that previous phrase came from, g'day mate. A little bit south of Canada is Australia. Now, Australia is almost a continent of its own. Most of the population is around the edges of the country. It's very famous for having the outback, which is the center, which is very, very hot and not very easy to live in. It's wildlife, which is almost as diverse and amazing and beautiful as the Amazon or other parts of the world. Now, it also is famous for the Great Barrier Reef on the east coast. But let's talk a little bit about the people, because when we're talking about the English-speaking world, we have to talk about the people and how they speak. Now, Australians, like the Irish and the British, like to talk a lot. So, they have a way of making their language a little bit more economical, abbreviating lots of words. So, for example, for Australia, they would say Straya. Or for football, they might say footy. Or tennis, tana. Biscuit becomes bicky. Chocolate becomes chocky. Chocolate biscuit then becomes chocky bicky. Chantel's favorite fast food restaurant, according to her notes, is McDonald's or Macca's. The laptop in which I'm sitting in front of is called a lappy. It's now the afternoon, so we could call it the ave. Dinner becomes din-dins. Breakfast, before dinner, is brekkie. The postman, who might bring you your letters, is called a postie. Not Post Malone, postie. Saturday becomes Seti, and the wife is the missus. So, I'm going to attempt a very short speech prepared for me. It was a sunny Seti ave in Straya. I went to the kitchen to get a chocky bicky before I opened my lappy to watch the footy. Next thing I know, it was din-din, so me and the missus went from Macca's. Now, I know that was fast, but Australians do speak fast. And with the abbreviations that I've given you, hopefully you will understand a little bit of that. Now, Australians also like to have nicknames for people. So, for example, David could become Davo. Michael could become Mick. Sharon could be Shazza. Chantel thinks that my nickname could be Sha or Shay, but I think Shana is a nice one as well. What about the culture? Well, for example, with eating. Let's stick with eating because we did it in previous videos. When Australians like to get together to have some food and you're invited to a friend's house, especially for a barbecue, they might ask you to bring a plate with you. Now, it doesn't literally mean, here's a plate, thank you very much, give me some food. No. What it means is to bring some food yourself to the party. Whatever it might be, whether it's a snack that you like or food that you prepared yourself. It would be kind of awkward to bring an empty plate. But anyways, that's enough for today. In the next video, we're going to talk about another country in the English-speaking world. There are many. So take care of yourselves. Have a nice day. I've been Shana, and I hope you guys have a wonderful